Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of The Perfect Heroine Wants to Possess Me, chapter 152. So here it is. Let's read the story. Facing you, I think I'm really in my susceptible period. Jishao, said the Wei Xingyu. Now, look at her, Jishao. Since she's really feeling uncomfortable right now, she is trying to lean on her and grabbing her and hug her. Well, otherwise, why would I be so addicted to you? Now, it makes sense. Look at her. Her face, it's really turning red. Probably, it was really uncomfortable for her. When did you change your perfume? Wei Xing is suddenly asking Jishao. But Jishao, she was wiping her tears. Also, she kept staring on Wei Xingyu. This girl, right now, she looks like she was really uncomfortable with the feelings. Jishao suddenly said to her before coming to pick you up. Well, do you like it? Jishao was asking Wei Xingyu if she really liked her perfume at this moment. Now, it makes sense. She keeps staring on hers. She coming closer. But now, Wei Xing said she really liked the perfume. Well, at least, they really get closer to each other. Now, we can say that Jishao, she is really getting sticky over Wei Xingyu. Well, still, she moved closer and she kissed her gently. Maybe the feelings are really getting heightened. Look at Wei Xingyu. She seems to be getting uncomfortable because Jishao, she continued to move closer and kiss her gently and said, Wei Xingyu, well, still, she moved closer. It's like a friction that she won't stay away from her. I still want to tag you. Oh, this girl, it seems that now she really want to mark her. Well, do you think it were really going to happen? Well, Wei Xing said, phew, okay. So right now, is she really going to let her to mark her? Ah, she was holding her tightly. Well, the feelings, it's really uncomfortable. Also, they're really getting closer to each other. Now, those feelings, it's really strange, like they're in the sea, and it really makes uncomfortable. On the book signing event for a known writer, Yansu, well, today is the day that she's going to get busy. But now, Teacher Wei, the publishing house, sent flowers again. Oh, her secretary is informing her, but still, she was busy on fixing herself. Now, she was holding her phone and said, put it aside. Could it be that she wanted to call Chisho at this moment? Already past an hour has passed. Well, it seems that Chisho, she was going to event. Well, this time, she must really excited about this. The girl said, Teacher Wei, can I help you with your hair first? The secretary said, but still, her hair, it's really not done. Why hasn't Jishon shown off yet? He hasn't even sent me a message. So it turns out she got really worried about where's Jisho at this moment. Probably she's been exhausted. That's why she really misses her. Also, she wants to see her. The girl said, I accidentally. Now she was pressing down her hair. Don't comb your hair, just let it down. Well, Wei Xing is suddenly to the girl. Teacher Wei, won't you take off your ring? Well, the girl said to her. Well, just reminding her that she will go public today, but Wei Xingyu, don't pick it. So it turns out she don't want to remove her ring. Well, probably because it was Jisho who gave it to her. That's why it's really fine for her to be able to see by most of the people. I have arrived. Well, finally, Jisho arrived on the venue. I'll be out for a while and back soon. Teacher Wei, where are you going? The book signing is about to start, but still, she really need to pick up Jisho. Now, it makes sense. She looks really happy, even though her secretary is trying to stop her. Well, Wei seeing you. She was really excited to see Jisho. Hello, Teacher Wei, but still, she was going to. It makes sense, right? She is really excited seeing Jisho. Where are you? Wei Xingyu said to Jisho. Now, she was texting her to be able the exact location of Jisho. Now, suddenly, there's someone who's grabbing her from the back. Could it be that it was Jisho? Well, let's see. She was really excited to see her. So, there's an only hand who's hugging her from the back. We can see who's the person who's grabbing her. So it turns out it was Jisho. Why Teacher Wei is so cold today? Well, probably she got really scared about this, but now, since Jisho was here, of course, she is really happy. Why didn't you message me for so long? Wei Xingyu suddenly said to Jisho. My phone was out of battery, so I urgently grabbed a lucky passerby at the door and charged it a little bit. Now it makes sense. She got really worried about her. I send you a message as soon as I return on the phone. Teacher Wei, please stop being angry, okay? Jisho suddenly said to her. The temperature has been dropping in recent days. You're wearing so little. Aren't you feel cold? Wei Xingyu suddenly said to Jisho. But Jisho, she was holding her hands and she was shaking it. Well, just to see that she's really fine. Well, let's hope there's no more bad things gonna happen. Well, for Jisho, since she was really cold, but still, she is really getting tricky. Look at her. She was wearing a tops. Now, she moved closer to Wei Xingyu and said, Teacher Wei, could you warm me up? Well, this time, she's going to trick her again. Well, Teacher Wei, the book signing is about to begin. Where are you? Her secretary said to her. Now, it makes sense. She really need to go back, especially now she break off. She want to go faster. Well, let's see if she can really make it. But suddenly she turned back and she kissed her again. Now, our girls, they're really getting better, especially the relationship, it's really getting stronger. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining a membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!